Imagine you're an IT administrator at an enterprise or retail business managing over 10 QNAP NAS devices across multiple locations. Are you tired of logging into each NAS one by one just to configure backup tasks, monitor data backup, and sync across different branches? Hybrid Backup Center, the cloud platform for cross-site NAS backup and restore management, simplifies the management and monitoring of large-scale, multi-site NAS backup tasks in a single window. Hybrid Backup Center has simplified backup, recover, and sync data to or from local storage, cloud services, or remote servers to complete a 3-2-1-1-0 backup plan for data protection. You can choose cloud storage as your backup targets, including cloud drive storage platforms. QNAP's hosted MyQNAP Cloud Storage, OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox, or cloud object storage platforms, Amazon S3, Azure, and Backblaze B2. In addition, you can use RTRR to back up or sync with a remote NAS, or use Rsync, FTP, or CIFS, SMB protocols to sync files with remote servers. Through the visualized topology of Hybrid Backup Center, IT administrator can centrally manage and monitor hybrid backup sync tasks across multi-site QNAP NAS devices in real time. It provides a comprehensive overview of backup and restoration tasks, including NAS to NAS, NAS to cloud, and NAS to file server environments. In addition, Hybrid Backup Center features a user-friendly interface that includes dashboard, NAS devices, backup and sync, restore, activities, targets, logs, making it easier to manage hybrid backup sync tasks across multiple devices. Hybrid Backup Center reduces costs and simplifies data protection with scheduled backups, version control, and retention, making it easy to manage backup, sync, and restore across multiple NAS sites. QNAP Hybrid Backup Center makes multi-site backups much easier.